Today we had a customer bring in an Xbox One S to Digi Mobile. The issue? The console was overheating, and an error message kept popping up on the screen saying that the fan wasn't working properly. Now, overheating on these consoles is a serious issue. If the fan isn't doing its job, the system can't cool itself down, which can lead to shutdowns, poor performance, or even long-term damage. After getting approval from the customer, we started the repair process. We carefully disassembled the Xbox to inspect the internal components. Right away, we noticed something unusual. The fan had visible marks of water exposure. That's a big red flag. Moisture can damage electronic components and affect how the fan operates, which explained why the system was overheating and throwing that error message. At that point, we ordered a brand new replacement fan to ensure proper cooling. But we didn't stop there. Since we already had the console open, we went deeper into the system to give it a full internal service. We removed the old thermal paste, which had dried out over time, and applied fresh, high-quality thermal paste. This step is critical because it helps transfer heat efficiently from the processor to the heatsink. Once everything was cleaned, repaired, and reassembled, we powered the console back on and ran a full set of tests. The new fan was working perfectly, airflow was restored, and temperatures were back to normal. After the overhaul, the Xbox One S was running like a brand new console. No more overheating, no more error messages, just smooth, reliable gameplay. If your console is overheating or showing any kind of hardware warning, don't wait until it gets worse. Bring it to Digi Mobile. We'll diagnose the issue and get you back to gaming the right way.